Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to send a one-time viewed photo on Telegram, the updated and easiest way to keep your pictures private and secure. So let's jump right into it. First, open your Telegram app and go to the chat where you want to send the photo. This could be a private conversation or even a group chat. Once you're there, look for the paperclip icon that's the attachment button. It's usually next to the message box. Tap on it to open the media options. From here, you can either choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one using your camera. Once you've picked or taken the photo, don't send it just yet. Before tapping the send button, look closely for a small timer icon or a stopwatch symbol. In the corner of the photo preview, that's the key to making your photo viewable only once. Tap the timer icon and you'll see several viewing options appear. Among them, select View Once. This tells Telegram that the recipient can open and see your photo just one time before it disappears completely. After making that selection, tap Done to confirm your choice. Now your photo is ready to go with the one-time view setting. All that's left is to tap the send button, the little arrow icon. Once you do, Telegram will deliver the photo to your chat. When your recipient opens it, they'll be able to view it only once. After that, it's gone for good, no saves, no screenshots, and no replays. That's it. You've just learned how to send a one-time viewed photo on Telegram in a few simple steps. This feature is perfect for sharing private photos or sensitive information that you don't want to linger around in your chat. Keep your messages secure, your privacy protected, and stay updated with more Telegram tips like this. Thanks for watching.